Guys, do you know you can actually audit or review your channel using AI? Yes, you heard me. I see a lot of people pay people money to review their channel for them, to tell them what they are doing right and what they are doing wrong. Okay, I see a lot of people pay people money just to audit their channel. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can audit or review your channel using AI. Okay, but before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Nonye and this is Nonye Tutor Zone. On this channel, we create tutorial video on YouTube growth and also AI tutorials. If that's the kind of video that you like, do well to click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so you'll be the first person to get notified whenever I post a good video like this. You don't want to miss out. Okay, so guys, let's dive right into the video. So first thing first, you need to open your YouTube app. Okay, so this place you see your picture. Okay, this place you see your picture here, just go ahead and click on it. So once you come to this place, it's going to take you to this place you see view channel. Just go ahead, click on view channel. Okay, so once it brings you to this place, okay, this is your channel. You just need to take a screenshot of it. Okay, so once you take a screenshot of it like this, so the next thing you need to do is just to what? Go to ChatGPT. We're going to be using ChatGPT to do this magic. Okay, so we'll go to our ChatGPT app. I'll click on ChatGPT. Now I'll bring that screenshot of that picture. Okay, this is it. I'll click on done. Then I'll type in my prompt. You can copy this prompt. I said, hi Bessie, critically analyze and audit my account. Okay, I can change this into my channel. Analyze, review and audit my channel. Okay, do not hesitate to show where I need improvements. Okay, so once you type this, just send it to ChatGPT. Okay, so ChatGPT will do the work. We'll give ChatGPT time. So ChatGPT replies, say, hi bestie, I have critically analyzed your YouTube channel Nonye Tutor Zone and I love your energy and passion. You are doing some great things already, but let's dive deep into a full audit from banner to branding to content strategy, and I will show you exactly where to improve and how to stand out stronger. Channel audit and review. Channel banner, what's good? Clear branding name, niche is mentioned, YouTube growth tips and AI tutorial. Then needs improvement. So these are the place they will tell you the place you are doing good and the place you need improvements. So they say I need improvement in design quality, clarity, color scheme. That is where I need improvements in my banner. So and they will tell you design quality, the banner looks a bit outdated and overly simple. Modern banners usually use clear layouts, bold text, so all this stuff you just go and read. I don't want this video to be too long. It's already 4 minutes already. So they will not tell you how to fix it. So you just have to read. Once you send that prompt to ChatGPT, you read. ChatGPT will tell you how to fix it, what to do. Then profile picture, they will tell you what is good. They will tell you where you need improvement and how to fix it. Then your channel name handle, they will tell you what is good, where you need improvement, how to fix it. Then your about section, what is good, where you need improvement, how to fix it. So this is how ChatGPT went on and on, to review everything concerning my channel, my playlist. Okay, imagine, see playlist, so issues. My playlist have issues. Okay, no visible playlist, missed opportunity for engagement and binge watching. How to fix it? Create 3 to 5 core playlists like grow your YouTube channel fast, AI tools for creator, YouTube monetization tricks, beginner YouTube tutorial. So they're giving me suggestion. I'm going to work on my playlist. So here is my channel trailer, no welcome or channel trailer. So my channel trailer have issues. I don't have a welcome video. So these are things I need to do. so my community tab have issues. So you see, ChatGPT is correcting me or what I need to do and what I don't need to do. Do you get? So these are the things. You just go on and on. So this is how to review and audit your channel. You don't need to pay anybody. ChatGPT is going to do all that for you. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share my video, say something nice in the comment section, say Nonye, you are doing well. This will encourage me to bring out more tutorials like this for you that is going to be of help to your channel and to my own channel too. Thank you guys as you do so. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.